The throttle body is a drive-by-wire unit. That means it is controlled by an electronic signal and that there is no cable or rod from the pedal to the unit. While very robust, they sometimes go bad and need replacement. The throttle body does have to be removed to service many items on the top of the motor. If you are moving it to service other areas, each time you remove it, you must replace the gasket. Failure to do so can cause a vacuum leak and all kinds of other problems. If you are replacing the throttle body, you will need to have it coated. To access it, you will first need to remove a lot of components, including the Y-pipe. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all those tasks. Once you have access to the throttle body, use a 7mm socket and loosen the hose clamp holding the hose to the throttle body, red arrow. Then slide the hose, blue arrow, off of the throttle body, green arrow. Press in on the tab for the electrical connection, red arrow, and slide it off, and then remove the wire clip holding the harness to the throttle body, blue arrow. Use an E10 socket with an extension and remove the 4 screws, red arrows. Use care as you remove the last screw, as the throttle body will now be free and you do not want to drop it. There is a mount supporting other accessories attached to the throttle body, red arrow. You do not need to remove this, but if you like, you can loosen the nut holding the rubber grommet and slide it out of the way. With the fasteners removed, you can remove the throttle body from the intake plenum. If you are removing it to service other areas, each time you remove it, you must replace the gasket, red arrow. Note that the gasket must be installed in a certain orientation. There are 2 notches in the intake that will line up with the O-ring when installed correctly. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the E10 screws to 10 Nm or 7.5 foot-pounds, and the collar nut to the air box to 6 Nm or 4.5 foot-pounds. Again, if you are installing a new throttle body, you will need to coat it to your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.